They say that Nigeria police don't attack activists wey they call VeryDarkMan and DG. No be small thing, no. As it dey happen now, they don't use tear gas finish VeryDarkMan eyes. VeryDarkMan sef no even open your eyes with im cool members as they go for the end bad governance protest for Abuja. Now this one dey happen. I go bring you the video. Hope Uzodinma don come outside. Conte all the whole state for Nigeria say make sure say they protect Igbo properties because they cannot afford to lose Igbo property anymore as they go. That the things where they happen for Kano and all those things, it don't turn to another thing. That the Igbos have stayed away from this protest, so let the people stay away from looting their businesses. So I waiting hope Uzodinma come outside the content youth. Remember once Maazị Ndigbo said that if there will be a revolution, it's going to start from the north. That is the future of people living in this region, in this country called Nigeria. If the north wake up and said no, enough is enough, that is when Nigeria will be better, and that is what we are seeing. This is the reason why the politicians don't want you to protest. That is the reason why they are blocking you from all corners, because they know that if the north wake up and Yorubas wake up, that the country will see a light, total light. Ndigbo said this thing. So however, we are going to bring you the videos for you to watch, and before we come back and continue. So watch the video the moment these people attack VeryDarkMan, and I'm going to bring the other video for you to watch. Just stay tuned. Remember, say it's still there for Barabas Gist.
That's no attacker. We need to wind down. That's no attacker. Oh fuck! I can't see again. Oh fuck! I can't see again. I can't see again. I can't see again. Fuck. I swear I can't see again. This is a very, very shameful act by the Nigerian police. Led by I can't see again. Yeah.
The Nigerian police force will regret this. Tinubu himself will regret this. And I've just been shot, canister by a police officer in my eyes. We are not going to retreat. Neither we will surrender. The journey is here. VeryDarkMan is here. We are only saying we are hungry. But the police officers are feeding us tear gas. Nigerian people, this is the time to double this agitation. This is the time to be more angry. Yes, this is the time to be more angry. This is the time to show us solidarity. Come. Come and join us. We need more Nigerian people to come and join us. Wike is trying to oppress us. Wike is trying to oppress us. Please, help us share this live video. Make sure this live video goes viral, please. Tag Tunde North and other influencers. The police are trying to oppress us. The government are trying to oppress with the young people of this country. Please, need screen records. The DSS are after me. They're trying to arrest me. We have only called for a peaceful protest, and everyone is gassed up. VeryDarkMan. Yeah. This is VeryDarkMan. He's been injured.
Okay, my people, this is not the moment the police attacked VeryDarkMan on his way to the protest, on the protest ground in their own ways. My people, let us listen for waiting this governor of Imo State will be hopeful of the matter.
The Southeast have suffered a lot in the hands of miscreants and violence from non-state actors in the past. Banditry, kidnapping that remained in the order of the day. But God intervened, and of late started witnessing relative peace and calm. Our people did not. But our people are very worried. The people of Southeast are very worried, particularly in Ndigbo. Because in Kano, those shops being attacked belong to the Igbos. In Lagos, the shops being attacked belong to the Igbos. in Borno State, the shops being attacked belong to Igbos. Igbos are everywhere in Nigeria, doing their businesses. They are not even participating in the subnational governance of these states. At this time there is any kind of protest, who wants to take undue advantage and begin to loot their shops. That is why we have been able to canvass over the weeks that this protest is not necessary. It is very, very unnecessary, particularly given that those behind this protest have one time or the other been in government. Some of them were former speakers for 8 years, former ministers for 16 years, former this and former that. And now the trouble created by them is what put us to where we are. That is the origin of this hunger. Now, are you blaming this hunger that it has happened for the past 12 months? When did the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu become the president? 12 months ago. The cause of the hunger, did it start 12 months ago? So this is failure of both the past leadership, and all of us should take responsibility for that. So we should wear our thinking cap and collectively come out of this quagmire. The protest, what are you protesting for? Why can't we choose to dialogue? Let us conduct town hall meetings. Let us discuss the issue. Let us encourage the president. Let us encourage the reform policies of the president, so that by so doing, love of country will take preeminence. This is my own candid opinion, and there is a level to which Igbos will be patient. This is very important. The peace of this country is important to all of us. The peace of, and the government should be allowed to drive and implement their policies. Because a particular person or individuals are not opportune to be at the head of government does not mean that Nigeria should not know peace. We are not left with no alternative. So it is a very big warning. We of the Progressive Governors Forum, we want a peaceful environment. We are supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to succeed in leading Nigeria out of this poverty.
Well, Your Excellency, it's good to hear from you and to know that at least you are also as proactive as a number of people would expect. But, I mean, right now you are speaking for, the governors and saying that you are supporting the president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But there are those who would also say that the foundation for what Nigerians are going through right now was laid by the previous administration, which you also supported. Unfortunately, very minimal conversation, very minimal communication with the people happened, which some analysts believe could have allayed the situation that we have on our hands now. How would you respond to that? Can you hear me, Your Excellency? All right, well, Terry, Kayla?
Right now, we've been talking a lot about the places where protests have been happening, but there are many states across the country where protests have not happened for one reason or the other. And we just listened to the Imo State governor talk about thanking really his people for adhering to his call for the protest not to happen. What happens to the voices of those who, experiencing bad governance in places like that? In places like that.
So you understand what I'm saying? The idea of blaming the president, we have information. The security agencies are advised against this protest. And I keep on hearing, what I hear is the police should protect. Police should protect. Nobody is interested to know the capacity of Nigerian police, the number of manpower they have, the population in the country, the ability to contain a violent protest or not. Some people are not interested, but police have advised that credible intelligence at their disposal is that this protest will be hijacked. And the simple thing we can do as obedient and law-obeying citizens is to follow the advice of the professionals and discourage our people from coming out on the street. Now they're out there now in Lagos, looting shops. They're out there in Kano, looting shops. They're in Maiduguri, killing and looting shops. And victims are members of people's family. Most of the shops that are being looted now, belongs to Southeasterners, Ndigbo. Why are we always the ones paying the price for any misunderstanding in Nigeria? I think we should be reasonable enough and allow wise counsel to prevail.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. No be small thing, no. Sebona don't see am. I beg, may you share the video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. We dey here, we dey bring you back to back.